Hey guys, so you know when I have an event, I work to share it with as many people as possible. So because you are on my email list, I wanted you to know about something real special that's jumping off on November the 17th. Hey Baltimore, hey DC, hey surrounding areas, it is time for us to make wealth real. That's right. Just think about that. Like making wealth real. Don't you want to just not talk about it, just not read about it, just not look at it on TV, but don't you really want to make wealth real in your life? Well, if you've never done that before, it's like, how do you even know how to make wealth a reality? Anytime we really want to experience something at a greater level, we need mentors, we need coaches, we need people showing us how to do that, right? Well, on November 17th, Baltimore, DC, we're going to make wealth real with our very first financial empowerment MWR financial event. Now, I've had my personal development events at the Hyatt Place BWI Airport, so that's where we're going to be again. Feel really comfortable at that hotel. After this first meeting, we'll be busting out of the scene and have to go to a bigger location. But we'll get 100 people into this room, and then we'll expand from there. But listen, finish this year strong. Finish this year in a big way, getting your financial house in order. What does that mean? Wealthy people minimize taxation. They have people in their corner to help them to do that. Wealthy people learn to turn their debts into wealth. You need to really learn what that means and how to do that. Wealthy people make sure that they have their credit in top-notch shape, because the higher credit, the lower your cost is when you purchase money. That would be your borrowing. Just gotta get those credit scores up. And you make wealth real by getting into vehicles that actually help you to build wealth at a rate where it doesn't take you 72 years for your money to double at the bank, if really it doesn't even double that quickly. You would have to be getting 1% annually on your money in order for your money to double in 72 years. And the bank isn't even paying 1% in most cases. So you got to learn about how you can step outside of the box and truly make wealth real in your life. And so on the 17th, I want you to meet me at the BWI Hyatt Hotel. It's going to be not just fun, but it's going to be informative. It's what you need. It's going to be financially empowering. And I'm including the video in this post, and I'll be sharing it with you several times before November 17th. It's a free event. Come and get the information. Tell somebody and bring somebody. Call me if you have any questions. 443-864-9440. 443-864-9440. You know, on a personal level, as I am building my O2 worldwide business in the wellness sector and knowing the big things that's coming with that, I said, listen, I'm not going to be like the rest of these networkers who make a lot of money but don't have a lot of money. I want to make sure that I know what to do with my money. I want to make sure that I'm in the best financial shape possible. I'm not going to leave it up to guesswork. I'm going to put experts in my life to help me to align everything like an expert without me having to be one, to get my finances in tip-top shape and order. And so MWR Financial is helping people to do that. So I'm excited to be partnering with this organization that helps networkers to have, when they make their money, to keep their money. It helps real estate people, professionals, to actually sell more homes, and people in the mortgage business to actually close more loans, and people in the insurance business to get more clients. It's just awesome. And just regular everyday people to get instant pay raises on their job. You just got to come out and see. Be my guest. See what it's about. 10 o'clock a.m. Just block that off in your calendar. From 10 to 11:30 is the informational session that you will see on the 17th. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great day. And share my flyer. And share this video if you know somebody who needs it. Bye-bye.